Eyes in the clouds. Understanding idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, eyes in the clouds. This idiom might sound a bit mysterious, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it in everyday conversations. Let's dive in. Eyes in the clouds is an idiom that describes a person who is not paying attention to what's happening around them because they are lost in thought or daydreaming. It often implies that someone is thinking about unrealistic or impractical ideas. The phrase paints a picture of someone looking up at the sky, lost in their own world, rather than focusing on their immediate surroundings. While the exact origin of eyes in the clouds is unclear, it's generally believed to have come from the idea of someone gazing upwards, not noticing what's in front of them. This imagery has been used in literature and poetry to represent dreaminess or distraction. Understanding the origin helps in appreciating the full depth of the expression. Let's look at some examples of how eyes in the clouds can be used. 1. In the workplace, John always has his eyes in the clouds during meetings, thinking about his next vacation. 2. In school, she's a brilliant student, but she often has her eyes in the clouds, daydreaming instead of focusing on the lesson. 3. In relationships, it's hard to have a serious conversation with him. His eyes are always in the clouds, thinking about something else. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different contexts to describe someone who is not fully present or engaged with the current situation. When using eyes in the clouds, it's important to understand that it's typically used in a lighthearted or slightly critical way. It's not usually meant to be harshly judgmental, but rather to gently point out someone's tendency to daydream or be distracted. And there you have it. Eyes in the clouds is a fun and imaginative way to describe someone who's often lost in thought or distracted. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll feel confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is an adventure. Keep your eyes open, but don't be afraid to let them wander into the clouds from time to time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.